This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. To enable dark mode in Excel, it's a two-step process. It's very easy to do, but the first thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the File tab. You want to click on File. Then you want to go down to the bottom left-hand side and click on Account. And then under Office Theme, you want to change the Office theme to black. I'm going to click the drop down. I'm going to go down to where it says black. I'm going to click on black. Then I'm going to click the back arrow to go back to my sheet. And as you can see, now the interface is in dark mode. But if you want to put your sheet in dark mode, that's very simple too. All you need to do is go up to the top up here, click on the View tab. Then right here, Switch Modes, Dark Mode. I'm going to click on Switch Modes. And now my sheet is in dark mode also. And to change it back, you just go back to the View tab, Switch Modes. That is how to enable dark mode in Excel. Thanks for watching.